Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Google Meet for online classes. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is head on over to meet.google.com and then sign into your account. From here, we're going to be greeted by this page, and where it says video calls and meetings for everyone, under that, we want to go ahead and click on new meeting. And then we can go ahead and create a meeting for later, or start an instant meeting, or schedule in Google Calendar. So choose which one you want to do. I'm just going to do start an instant meeting. Then it should say joining. Now from here, we need to add people to this meeting. So it will say your meeting's ready. We can go ahead and click on the add others button and then add in their name or email for people to go ahead and join this meeting. Or we can copy this and paste this to our friends or family or students. So at the bottom here, we've got these different options. You can see my microphone is enabled, but my camera is turned off. My camera doesn't work on this laptop, unfortunately. The middle button here is where we can share screen. So we can click on share screen. So we can use the window screen, entire screen, or use a Chrome tab to share screen if we like to. Down below, we've got more options. So we can send a reaction if we like. So we can pop in our reaction. We can also turn on captions for this, and we can also raise hand. And now if we press on the three dots next to that, we can change the layout if we like. We can full screen, we can open picture in picture mode. We've got backgrounds and effects. And on the bottom right hand pane, we've got these users. So we can go ahead and search for people here, add people as well. We can see contributors in here in the meeting. So this is where all the people that are inside this meeting are going to show. We've also got in-call messages here as well. So let contributors send messages. So we can go ahead and enable that. You can pin a message to make it visible for people who join later. When you leave the call, you won't be able to access this chat. Click on more settings here. We've got some feature add-ons, so we can install third-party add-ons to do more with Meet. So we can Confluence, add Confluence, Figma, HubSpot, show more. We've got more we can add in, more features. Also, we can use Google One Premium. So to unlock recording for future calls, subscribe to a Google One Premium plan. So that is going to cost you money, unfortunately. From here, we can live streaming. So let people watch without joining, and recording. So record meetings for an on-demand viewing. Also, if we click on this little plus icon, this is going to show us Google Workspace Marketplace. So we can have a look at all these different apps we can install to Google Meet. Okay, for students joining a class, you want to go ahead and get the link or code. So receive the Google Meet link or meeting code from your teacher and then paste the code in here. You need to navigate to meet.google.com/landing and chuck in that code here and then click on join. And now a bit of classroom etiquette. So join on time. Also mute your mic unless speaking. Use chat for questions if told, and turn on the camera if required. Also, some tips for a smooth class. We want to go ahead and use headphones if you've got any to avoid any echo, and use a stable internet connection. Also, keep your materials ready before the class.